Hello and welcome back, guys, to Master English Hub. Today, we're going to learn everything about the future tense in English. By the end of this video, you'll know when to use will and going to, how to recognize them, with some simple examples that are easy for beginners. Let's get started. 1. Using will. Structure. Subject plus will plus base verb. Examples. I will call you tomorrow. She will help her friend. It will rain soon. When to use will. 1. Decisions made at the moment. Oh no! I forgot my bag. I will go back. 2. Promises or offers. I will help you with your homework. 3. Predictions or guesses. I think he will win the game. Time words that often go with will. Tomorrow. Soon. Next week. 2. Using going to. Structure. Subject plus am, is, are, plus going to, plus base verb. Examples. I am going to eat pizza. They are going to visit their grandma. Look at the clouds. It is going to rain. When to use going to. 1. Planned actions, things you already decided to do. I'm going to start a new game tonight. 2. Predictions with evidence, when you see signs something will happen. Look at those dark clouds. It is going to rain. Tip: if it's planned or you can see it happening, use going to. 3. Quick comparison. Will and going to. Decision made now, already planned. Promise, plan or intention. Guess and prediction, prediction with evidence. Examples. I will help you. Deciding now. I'm going to help you tomorrow. Planned. 4. Practice examples. Prediction: it will rain tomorrow. Plan: I'm going to watch a movie tonight. Spontaneous decision: I forgot my keys. I will go back. Evidence-based prediction: look at the dark clouds. It is going to rain. 5. Summary. Will is for decision at the moment, promise, guess. Going to is for plan, evidence-based prediction. Look for words like tomorrow, soon, next week to recognize the future tense. Now it's your turn. Try making your own sentences using will and going to. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you want more easy English lessons. See you in the next video.